All right, so we got this problem with Sid and his job at Morgan Motors. And the question is, what is the independent variable? What is the dependent variable so we can graph this thing? And I think it tripped a lot of people up because it seemed simple. Usually the independent variable is time. Usually the dependent variable is money. But this one's a little bit more complicated. So if you're stuck or if you get confused, here are some tips, right? Think about an example. Think about the outcome. And think about what you change or plug in to get that outcome. I mean, this is especially helpful when you're dealing with linear equations, okay? And also, if you're asked to graph, can you write an equation? So let's do these one at a time. So, our example, what if he sells 2 cars in the first month for $5,000 total, right? Nowhere in the problem, but I just made it up so I can move forward in the problem and see what happens, right? So if he sells 2 cars, by the rules, it's 5,000 times 0.03, which is 3%, right? That's 3%, because 0.3 would be 30%. And if I do that, I get 150. That's his commission, right? Now, it's not just his commission. I got to add the $1,200 base salary. So commission plus base salary gets us $1,350. That's his salary for that month. Now, let's go back to these original questions. What is the outcome? What is my Y variable? Well, the outcome is his salary for the month. Now I know that Y is going to be salary. What did I do? What did I change or plug in to get that outcome? Well, this 0.3 I had from the problem, right? This 1,200 I had from the problem as well. What I plugged in was this made-up number of 5,000. And that's what I came up with when I just made up 2 cars for 5,000 total. So if I can put words to this, I'll know my independent variable. That 5,000, in simple terms, is all the car money, or all the money he makes from selling cars. So now I can start to write an equation. 0.03 times all the car money plus his base salary equals his total salary. Or in other words, 0.03x plus 1,200 equals y. Now I know his independent variable is all the car money, his dependent variable is his salary.